Hello guys, welcome back to my page. Today I have an interesting topic to tell you, which is the ZKNAMs. So we'll be discussing about it. So the ZKNAMs is a credential in name network which enables end users to have access to digital apps services without having reveal sensitive information. Like you don't have to reveal your sensitive information like your age, your date of birth. You understand, like very sensitive personal information. You don't have to have them uh on the internet. So with the ZKNAMs, that can be achieved. So it is a credential in the name network which is used to give users access on the internet space without having their data, their personal information being revealed, and it is based on the Coconut protocol. Don't forget, you can actually use this credential to build on. So I will be introducing you to the ZKNAMs properly. Just imagine going to a cinema, or you only buy ticket, you only need to show your ticket, you understand? But relating this thing with the online today, you can see that it's not like that, you understand? So with name network, now name network is trying to make it that way, that you just go, you just like show little information, like maybe your name, you understand that as well, like trying to prove who you are without allowing your data being exposed, you understand? Just like imagine going to the cinema, you just show them the ticket and you have access to the showroom already. But online you start having your date of birth, your personal information, like your personal information that is supposed to be safe, you understand? So with the ZKNAM now, this is possible. So when you watch a movie or make a purchase or use other online services, you repeatedly have to provide your name, payment details, address, and other sensitive information. It should not be that way online, you understand? Like when you go to the film hall, like the cinema showroom, you just show your ticket and they let you in. But when you're doing something online, you can see that it's not like that. They start asking you, like maybe you've done it before, they'll start asking you repeatedly for those informations. Those things are not actually good, you understand? So with the ZKNAMs, these are taken care of. With the ZKNAMs credential, it is very possible, you understand, very possible to anonymously prove your right to access digital service while retaining your privacy. Just like what I told you earlier, you prove who you are without having your personal information leaked. Your privacy is the key. That's what NAM believes, trying to give you your own privacy and still give you that access to online services. So there are a lot of benefits with the ZKNAMs, you understand? We have e-cash payments, protects privacy online, protects your privacy while paying online, you understand? While you're making your payments online, with the ZKNAMs, you protect your privacy, you understand? So saves several identity, proof attribute of your identity while retaining your privacy, like trying to prove who you are, then without letting your data being exposed, you understand? So identification processes, sign into digital services in a privacy preserving manners, ensuring that your information is dislinked from any source, like your information is not linked to any source, you understand? You make your online registration quite alright, but in a very well organized manners. Okay, we have the Mixnet credentials used and pay for Mixnet in the online in a privacy preserving manners, ensuring wallet addresses, transaction histories cannot be linked to your Mixnet. Like imagine making your transaction, all your addresses, the transaction details, everything are not linked to any other source, but safe and protected. So how do these ZKNAMs works? Okay, the ZKNAM works. It works in a very mysterious way, you understand? The ZKNAMs are decentralized cryptographic preserving privacy preserving credentials. You can request anonymous credential from what is called issuing authorities for the mixnet. The issuing authorities are the NYX blockchain validators. You understand? That's how it works. You request for the credentials, so that's the first step. The validator issues anonymous credentials that have threshold issuance, meaning that only hold one part of the key. You understand? Only one part of the key, one piece of the key is being held. You understand? And cannot piece together the full key. You understand? The full key cannot be pieced together. You understand? So the whole back only one key. So now you have an anonymous credential that you can use to cryptographically prove something about yourself, to be a verifier, meaning the given digital services you are trying to use. You understand? That's how it's being, that's how it works. You understand? So the privacy property of the zkNAMs includes the threshold issuance, the blind signature, the unlinkability, and the randomizable signature. You understand? So the validator only hold a part of the key that sign the credentials. You understand? You just hold one part of the key, and they make sure the keys are not pierced together. So the blind signature, the property of the blind issuance means that even if all the validator colluded, they will not be able to piece together the private attribute of your credentials, giving you top-notch security, not linking anything together. Unlinkability: once you have your credentials, rest assured that the issuance of your credential and your subsequent showing of it's unlinkable. Like, all your credentials are protected, they are not linked to any source, they are unlinked. You understand? They are very, very safe. Signatures are randomized, meaning you can use the credentials again without making this traceable and compromising privacy. You understand? Like, you can use it over and over again. Like, man, this name network is the top notch, and the rest assured you can build, like I told you earlier, you can build the zkNAMs credentials. You can use it to build. Understand? This is that the zkNAMs credentials are available as an open source. You understand? Source library with the NYX blockchain validators insurance authority. The library makes the zkNAMs anonymous credential available to everyone with no work required by the end users. Like, you want to use it, it's available in the library, in the source library, and it's very accessible. You understand? Built on the Coconut Credentials Protocol. The first use cases is anonymous access credentials for the name network. Like, it is anonymous, like giving anonymous access. So I'll be attaching the link to the website to this video, so you go learn more about it and build with the zkNAMs credentials. Thank you.